Hi, Mark here, 9:16 a.m., Wednesday, the 21st of May, a good hour into the US session. And let's have a look how the US dollar is performing. US dollar index certainly started off, as you've seen, the last 3 days being sold off, support at 99.26, but does look to be fighting its way back. I can see a little wick over here on the daily. If I zoom in on the hourly, you can see there's the bounce of support, but hang around that 99.54 now. If US dollar is going to fight back, we'll be looking at this resistance here at 99.83 as a target for buyers. If weakness is going to continue and US dollar continue to be sold off, then 99.26 support would be the area to look at. Let's have a look how the US is doing against the majors, starting with the euro on the daily. There you can see another green candle. Euro strengthened against the US through the Asian European session, has given back a little bit. You can see the wick. If we uptrend, definitely EMAs have crossed to the upside. That's already 2 days ago. If I zoom into the hourly, there you can see now sitting in this range with support at 113.12 and resistance at 113.61, sitting in the middle for now. Sellers will be looking to come down and test this 113. That would be US dollar fighting back, selling euro, buying US. Alternatively, a continuation of euro strength and dollar weakness would be looking up here at the 113.61 resistance. Let's have a look at the pound. Also been strong against the US and continuing. You can see that, another green candle, all the way up to today, $1.34, 134.66 is the high, but there's the wick you can see, meaning US dollar is fighting its way back. Let's zoom into the hourly. There you can see the levels I've put in on the hourly. I've got resistance at 134.37. I've got support at 133.89. Sitting in the middle right now, buyers of pound, a continuation of the pound strengthening like it started off today, would look up at this resistance of 134.37 being the target. Alternatively, US dollar fighting back would be looking at the support here of 133.89. US yen. Yen's been really strong against the weakening dollar, almost a safe haven status kind of thing. As the US has been sold off, certainly we have seen yen being the beneficiary of that. And you can see for how many days since resistance up here at 148.68, all the way down right now with support at 143.49. Red candlestick today, selling US, buying yen. Small wick, we'll see if we zoom in on the hourly. Not much of a fight back, but we do have that support, like I said, 143.47. That's yen strength. And we've got resistance at 144.19. So buyers of US, if the US is to make a comeback or to fight back, would be looking up here to come up and test the 144 level. Continuation of yen strength, dollar weakness. Target would be the support level of 143.47. And then let's look at the US Canadian. Canadian also been strong against the US. And that looks like it's continuing today. No fight back I see there from the US. You can see selling US, buying Canadian, support all the way down here at 138.67, significantly under that 139 level. Let's just zoom in on the hourly. And there you can see I've just put in the support. It's already testing and breaking below this most current support at 138.67. If the US does turn around, make a comeback, a fight back from this support area. The resistance is at 138.98. In other words, that 139 level is what buyers of US would be looking for. But right now, it's a continuation of dollar weakness, Canadian strength, and sitting right now at the support area at 138.66. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session.